Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2162 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your vehicle speed sensor system. And if left unresolved, it can affect your speedometer, transmission shifting, cruise control, and overall vehicle performance. What does P2162 mean? P2162 stands for Vehicle Speed Sensor and B correlation. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the signals from Vehicle Speed Sensor and Vehicle Speed Sensor B do not match. Both sensors should provide speed information that is within an expected range. When the readings are significantly different, the ECU recognizes a correlation problem and stores the P2162 code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2162, you may notice check engine light on, speedometer issues, cruise control not working properly, harsh or delayed transmission shifts, ABS warning light, traction control warning light, reduced driving performance, and sometimes the transmission may enter limp mode. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. Vehicle Speed Sensor and Vehicle Speed Sensor B are usually mounted on the transmission housing. Depending on the vehicle, one sensor may monitor input shaft speed while the other monitors output shaft speed. Some vehicles may also use sensors located near the differential. The wiring harnesses run underneath the vehicle and are exposed to water, dirt, heat, and road debris. The most common causes of P2162 include faulty vehicle speed sensor A, faulty vehicle speed sensor B, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded connectors, damaged tone ring or reluctor wheel, transmission-related problems, or ECU issues. In rare cases, quick diagnosis. Start by connecting an obd2 scanner. Check live data from both speed sensors. Compare sensor A and sensor B readings. Inspect wiring and connectors carefully. Look for damaged wires or corrosion. Inspect sensor mounting areas. And check the tone rings if accessible. If one sensor shows abnormal readings compared to the other, that sensor may be faulty. How to fix P2162. Repair damaged wiring, clean corroded connectors. Replace faulty speed sensors. Repair damaged tone rings if necessary. Clear the code after repairs. And perform a complete road test. Final result. Fixing P2162 will restore proper communication between both speed sensors, improve transmission performance, restore accurate speed readings, and help all related vehicle systems operate correctly. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage, and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.